Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A modern monolith amidst nature's canvas. Nestled within a lush tropical landscape, a modern black stone house stands as a stark yet elegant testament to contemporary architecture's harmonious coexistence with the natural world. Its obsidian exterior, a bold contrast against the vibrant greenery, is a dramatic and visually arresting spectacle. The house's design, a masterful balance of geometric precision and organic integration, creates a dwelling that is both imposing and inviting. The natural stone exterior, a rugged and timeless material, provides a sense of permanence and grounding, anchoring the structure to the earth. The large glass doors, acting as portals to the wilderness, invite the outdoors in, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. The house's placement within the lush tropical landscape provides a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The surrounding trees, with their vibrant colors and exotic shapes, create a natural canopy that offers shade and privacy. The lawn, a verdant expanse of green that softens the structure's starkness, adds a touch of vitality and life. The white gravel path, a contrasting element that leads to the house, invites exploration and discovery. The interior of the modern black stone house is a harmonious blend of contemporary aesthetics and natural warmth. The living room features floor-to-ceiling glass doors that offer stunning views of the surrounding tropical landscape. A sleek black fireplace creates a cozy focal point, while a plush sofa provides relaxation. The kitchen is a sleek, modern space with black cabinetry and high-end appliances. The bedrooms are serene retreats featuring comfortable beds, soft lighting, and calming color palettes. The bathrooms, finished with natural stone, offer luxurious amenities such as soaking tubs and rain showers. Throughout the house, the abundant natural light creates a bright and airy atmosphere, while the tropical plants add a touch of vibrant color and life. In conclusion, the modern black stone house with glass doors is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Its design, a bold and unconventional choice, creates a visually striking and psychologically stimulating dwelling. The house's integration with the natural landscape, combined with its luxurious amenities, offers a truly unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.